Good morning to everyone present here. I am Aishiki Bhattacharya and I am present here to say a few words on Earth Day. Earth Day is celebrated worldwide every year on 22nd April. The idea was suggested by McConnell in 1969. This day is observed to protect the earth and its resources. This year's theme is Invest in Your Planet. So spreading initiatives is the best way we can conserve our Mother Earth. We need to act, innovate and implement, and hence we are emphasizing on the 6 R's by rethinking, refusing, reusing, reducing, recycling and repairing. On this occasion, the students of Swarnim International School are going to present a ramp show.